Hello everyone, welcome back to BJ Tech channel. On this channel we teach different tutorials on how to make money online, introduce useful tools for working boys, share crypto flashing update method and much more. Kindly join my Telegram and WhatsApp channel for more updates. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be among the first to receive updates whenever I upload a new one. With that being said, let's move on to today's video. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to flash USDT, how to crypto flashing method works on Gateio wallet. So without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, you go to your Play Store or App Store, download Gateio. So that is the first thing you do. Just download the search for Gateio app, then you download it, then open it. So once you download your Gateio on your Play Store app store, you open it. So like this now, for here now, you don't need to create an account. It's done. You can just click on skip. You click on skip. So in this interface now, this interface is done. You will not sign up, or you change it to, you see this up, you change it to Dex. Is in exchange, so you change it to Dex. So once you change it to Dex, so you switch to this and they will give you an account. Then you click on create or import account. So you click on that part, you click on create account. Stands. So once you create an account, this is how it should look. It's done. So then what you do now is you can just back up your wallet. Stand. So let's back up the wallet. Just back up the wallet. Stand. Got it. So we back up the wallet. So once you back up the wallet, we deposit BNB. So these are to back up wallet. Click on back up now. Then they'll give you a 12 key phrase. That 12 key phrase, you just can snap it because you can't screenshot. So just snap it with your other phone. And click on continue. So they'll ask you question. So which one is number 2? Stand. The number 6 is what? Is kick. The number 8 is what? Goes player. So click on confirm. So you have back up the wallet successful. After you back up, all you need to do is deposit a BNB. Just go to your wallet or anywhere you have BNB, then deposit BNB. Stand. BNB smashing. So let's deposit BNB. You deposit your BNB instant. So you just click, you go the swap area, just click on swap. Instant. Once you click on swap, you change it to all. Instant. Then you select BNB. Select the BNB stand. So here now you press it, then you change it to all. Then you copy. There is a contract address I'll give you. Stand. You paste it here. Once you paste the contract address, it will bring out this USDT logo out. Then you click it, then click on confirm. So if you want to swap, let's swap 0.000001. That is let's swap this. So if I swap this, it will give us 3,000 USDT. So you click on swap, then click on next. So click on confirm. So then let's wait for it to swap. So once you swap it, let's see. So let's see our balance. You can see it now. You can see we have swapped. So I didn't even use $1 BNB. So I did not use $1 BNB. You can see I deposited like $4 BNB. You can see I still have like 4.83 BNB. So if you see the swapping, you can see that the swapping has been successful. So if you want to use it, if you want to give your client, you want to send it out, say you want to send it out, if you click on send, if you click on the USDT, you click on send, then you will collect your client's wallet address. Collect the client wallet address of this token. Let's say you want to swap you want to send it to your client. Now what you need to do, let's create another wallet. Now let's add another new wallet, create new wallet. So I've created new wallets, so I'll just click on this. So the same thing I told you, just tell your client to back up so that you can see the remaining options. So let's back up this wallet. So we have successfully create new wallet. So like this now, if you want to swap our client, maybe you want to send to our client, you need to add the token to this, so that you can just copy the wallet address. So let's add it. Let's copy the token, the same token. Once you copy it, so we enable it, we just click on add. It has been added. So let's check if it will be on this. So or you just copy your BNB wallet address so that you won't do mistake. All you need to do, just copy your BNB wallet address. Just copy the BNB wallet address. So this is it at down. This is it. The one we added, this is it at down. So we just copy it, or you copy your BNB wallet address. If you don't want to do mistake, just tell your client to copy BNB wallet address. It will automatically go to that USDT as far as you have added the token, as I told you, as I do now earlier. So just copy this thing, then we go back to the wallet that we have funds. So then we click on it, then send, then we paste the wallet address. Very sharp update. Then click on next. So how much are we transferring? Let's transfer like $100. See, then click on next, confirm. Let's wait for it to confirm like this. Now I've sent it out. So let's refresh. You can see now it has gone. So let's check the wallet whether it has reflected this wallet too. So let's refresh. Okay, you can see it now. You can see it, the thing has showed, the $100 has reflected. So that is how to send out, and that is how to generate the token and how to send out to your clients. You can see it has reflected. See it here, very sharp update. So if you love this video, kindly like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates like this. See you next in my next video. Bye.
Stay tuned for more tech insights. Like, share, and subscribe.